CrossWallet, is it the next 200x altcoin gem running under the radar? Today, I'm going to do a deep dive into the fundamentals, which is the reasons I believe CrossWallet is likely, high probabilities, never certainties, going to do a 200x. That's a 20,000% increase in price. If you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you don't know me by now, my name is Jiggy. I'm the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. Been featured in the best-selling book, High Probability Trading Strategies back in 2008. Normally trading currencies for over 15 years, but now exclusively focused on crypto. So let's dive straight in. Right, I put together a whole presentation for this because I want to do a really deep dive and give you the real clarity on my thinking on CrossWallet. First of all, the project is called CrossWallet, one crypto wallet to rule them all. With single-click cross-chain swaps, CrossWallet is the ultimate crypto wallet and DEX aggregator. DEX meaning decentralized exchange, where it connects different blockchains together. And here's the product. But here's why I'm going to go into a lot of detail today, so strap yourself in because this one's important. First of all, CrossWallet launched in, I think it was June, right? It was June 2021. June 2021, CrossWallet launched on the Binance Smart Chain pad, BSC pad. Very important. In fact, I need to change this setting. Let me just have a look at this. Yeah, no, it should be fine. Actually, I'm going to change this. Let me change this. No, I'm going to keep it as is. I was going to see just to make sure you can see my whole screen, but it should be fine. So CrossWallet launched 2021, June 2021, and the 21st of June. It also was the first launch on the Tron blockchain. Tron launchpad, should I say. It launched, did very, very well on Tron. So that was also in June. Right? Very important to know. But what's the problem that they're actually solving? Like, we want to look at what is the problem? What's the big deal with CrossWallet? Why is it a big deal? Well, first of all, you should be familiar with blockchain right now. There's different blockchains. One of the most popular is Ethereum. On the ERC20 contracts, Ethereum is huge. And to operate decentralized, you need to understand there's centralized wallets and decentralized wallets. Centralized meaning if you got a wallet on Binance, if you got a wallet on Coinbase, if you got a wallet on Kraken, if you got a wallet on eToro, PayPal, Revolut, whatever it is, they're all centralized. To interact with the mindset and the vision of Satoshi, the originator, the founder of Bitcoin, where we can do peer-to-peer with no middleman, you have to go decentralized. And Ethereum's main wallet, decentralized wallet, is MetaMask. Very important to note. But what's the problem? Well, there's other blockchains which have got really popular, especially recently. The main one is the Binance Smart Chain, right? Binance Smart Chain. But the good news is Binance Smart Chain has its own wallet, which is a problem because now you have to have your MetaMask wallet, then you got to have your Binance Smart Chain wallet. But you can actually set up your MetaMask so it accepts and links in with the Binance Smart Chain wallet. Very, very important. But then you got all these other blockchains. You got Avalanche, right? Behind there is Avalanche. Then you got Polygon, which is a layer 2 solution for an Ethereum. It's built on top of Ethereum, but it's a blockchain on top. It's a layer 2 solution. Then you've got KCC, a blockchain, which is the KuCoin community chain. Then you got Valus, which is built off the Solana code base, which has got a lot of popularity recently, and there's a lot of building happening in that space. They just got a $100 million grant to innovate and incubate new projects on that ecosystem. But the problem is they each have their own individual wallets. Yeah, so you got your MetaMask for your Ethereum, you got your Binance Smart Chain wallet for Binance Smart Chain, then you got your Polygon wallet, you got your Avalanche wallet, you got your Valus wallet, and then you got your KCC. But the good news is MetaMask, you can program it, you go to settings, go to network, you go to RPC and you put in this jargon. It's a bit of a headache and pain in the what, but you can set it up. So that's not too much of an issue. but it allows you to operate decentralized, meaning no middleman. But at the moment, it's like being in the mid 1990s, 1990s or the mid 90s, where the internet wasn't that user friendly. It was difficult. It was dial up. It was horrible, the setup fee. So therefore, there wasn't mass adoption because it was too difficult. The learning curve just to do the basics was difficult. So Binance Smart Chain, its main decentralized exchange to swap tokens is PancakeSwap. So if you heard of PancakeSwap, you can swap tokens for, BNB tokens to BUSD tokens, decentralized, no middleman, and you can swap them. And PancakeSwap is one of the main ones. And you need a decentralized wallet, such as MetaMask. For Ethereum, the main DEX, the main decentralized exchange is Uniswap, right? It's a $15 billion market cap project, big project, but you need MetaMask. You cannot use Uniswap using Coinbase or using Binance, etc., etc. So new tokens that are not on centralized exchanges, you can only use DEXs, right? DEXs. Why am I saying this? Well, you need MetaMask as a wallet. And then, this is a big pain point, and I'm showing you the problem because I believe CrossWallet is set to do a 200x, and I'm going to show you why. Because it's important to understand the fundamentals in the projects and the problems that are actually occurring right now, these pain points, big pain points. You have Ethereum, and then you have Binance, Ethereum blockchain, and Binance Smart Chain. When you buy something on Ethereum, you can actually bridge it over to the Binance Smart Chain and vice versa. But it's not simple. And you have something called a bridge. So therefore, it's cross-chain. You can transfer your assets across and transfer your assets across. So this is very common now. And a lot of projects are starting to launch onto the Binance Smart Chain, mainly because the gas fees are much cheaper. Where on Ethereum, paying $20 to $50 to $100. On the Binance Smart Chain, you're paying 7 cents to 50 cents. Right? There's no comparison. Ethereum takes 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour to do the transaction. Binance takes 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. So it's cheaper and faster. And therefore, there's been a lot of innovation when it comes to the Binance Smart Chain. Very, very, very important to note. But it's not easy. You have to use these bridges. It's complicated. And then you've got other blockchains like Avalanche. Behind me over here, if I just move myself, over here is Avalanche, right? And the main DEX for Avalanche is PNG, Pangolin, right? And then you got Polygon, then you got Valus, then you got KCC. It's a very convoluted, difficult space. Crypto itself is difficult already for people to be using, but now there's all these blockchains, and these are not all the blockchains. What makes it even worse is gas. You go, gas your gear? Yeah. When you're using centralized exchanges like Coinbase, you don't notice gas. They just charge you their transaction fees, and you don't notice it. But when you're using decentralized exchanges, you have a gas fee. And think of gas as petrol. You have a car, you want to go from one point to another, you need gas, you need petrol to go from one point to the other. But when you launch like your Binance Smart Chain wallet, when you set it up, the gas on the Binance Smart Chain is the BNB token. And if you don't have BNB token, you have to get it in there somehow to operate on that blockchain. For Avalanche is the AVAX token. For KCC is the KCS token. For the Valus is the VLX token. For Polygon is the Matic token. For Ethereum it's Ethereum. And when you're setting up for the first time, it can be difficult. How I think of it is your car needs gas or petrol, but the tank is empty. So how do you get your car to the petrol station to fill it up with gas? And these are all common problems are in the blockchain. And this is important to know. What makes it even worse is blockchains, popular blockchains like Tron is another blockchain, really massive in Asia, built for entertainment, fast, smooth transactions, slightly different mechanics when it comes to the gas. Doesn't operate with MetaMask. It's not ERC20 friendly. It's not EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, or Solidity, which is the code base, friendly. So you can't connect Tron to MetaMask. You have to download a totally separate wallet called TronLink. Right? So now it's like, okay, I can't even connect this to MetaMask even if I wanted to do so. Then you got other popular blockchains, which are really up and coming, like Solana, which again is faster, it's cheaper, it's got lots of innovation. Well, it doesn't connect to MetaMask. It's got like 4 different wallets, and one of the most popular ones is Phantom. And it's got a few different nuances. Again, you need its native token, Solana, for its gas. And it's just very messy, very convoluted, very difficult. So that's why only 3% of the human population, probably even less, are using decentralized exchanges, directly interacting with the blockchain. You know, people just buying a cryptocurrency is a level in itself, but then being able to interact directly with the blockchain with no middleman is a whole different level. And it's difficult. And one of the main difficulties is because you need so many wallets. And even when you're setting up MetaMask for Binance Smart Chain or Avalanche or Valas, you have to code it in yourself. It's not difficult, but it is difficult at the beginning because it's not obvious, it's not intuitive. So what is CrossWallet doing? Well, it is solving this problem. It's saying forget all multiple wallets, forget them all, just have one. And CrossWallet will link in the backend to Ethereum, to Binance Smart Chain, to Avalanche, to Polygon, to KCC, to Valas, to Cardano, every blockchain. And the more popularity the blockchains get, it will just connect. So you just have one friendly user interface that does everything for you. You can swap, you can switch. So let's look at some of the key factors here. So the cross-wallet solution. All right, let me move myself up here now. The cross-wallet solution. As a crypto enthusiast, you hold several assets in multiple wallets across different blockchains. With CrossWallet, you will only need one wallet to navigate the ever-growing number of assets and networks. The only crypto wallet you will ever need. So it is looking to innovate the level now to say, hey, we love MetaMask, but it's not doing the job, especially with the new blockchains. We love Solana and Cardano. Cardano just launches smart contracts on the 12th of September. A lot of innovation happening, but it's not easy. So it's like, hey, why not just have one wallet that connects to everything? A wallet that holds any digital asset you want to hold, trade, or send, from tokens to NFTs. A wallet that works on any device, either mobile or web. A wallet that lets you seamlessly move between different blockchains. So that's what CrossWallet is. Now, there's a few other things, right? Because we've got to look at the fundamentals. Because it's been out since June, right? So, and you probably haven't heard of CrossWallet unless you was involved in the IDO or you're kind of in the circle, in the know. But if you haven't, their roadmap is very important. This is very important. And this is why we want to take special note of this particular cryptocurrency. In Q1 of 2022 was the plan for the release of their app, the iOS app, and the Android app. So you can have the web version and the app version. But there was an announcement a few months ago, I think it was June, July, August, I think it was August, where it says, because of the amazing progress, CrossWallet development team is making amazing progress. We're excited to show you the preview, right? And if you join the Telegram group, Telegram announcements, you can kind of backtrack and you kind of see all the announcements. And one of them was, because of this amazing progress and many requests from our community, we are moving both native app, iOS and Android, from Q1 2022 to Q3 2021 on the roadmap. What does that mean? Any time now. I don't have a specific date. I'm just speculating here. But based on this announcement and the team behind it, which we're going to cover in a second, it's likely the app is going to launch soon, the product is going to launch soon, and it's going to be pushed and advertised very soon. And these guys have got a powerhouse marketing team. So CrossWallet, another thing, just for your own peace of mind, the security is going to be very, very important. Your crypto assets, the security. So the same team, which is, we are proud to announce Least Authority as our security audit partner. And these are the guys that looked after projects like MetaMask, Ethereum 2.0, Zcash, Tezos, Blockstack. So the security is on point. By the way, also CrossWallet, right now, if you own the token, you can put it into a staking account where it gives you a 25% APY. So you can just have your CrossWallet sitting there achieving a 25% APY. Considering that cash ISAs currently give you around 1.25%, you can put your tokens over here and get 25%. Another thing that I wanted to identify, this is important again, because we want the fundamentals. You know, you're saying 200x. I'm going to kind of go, look, we need the facts, the figures. Why is it a high probability 200x? And even if it does a fraction of that, you know, like 50x, 25x, still a very, very big deal. When CrossWallet did its IDO on the BSC pad and Tron pad, they created a moon sheet. A moon sheet is when they compare to other projects and say, if it gets to the size of these other projects, these are the multiples that we can expect. And, SafePal is like a physical ledger. Trust Wallet is a very popular wallet. 1inch is a wallet, but it's also a DEX aggregator, which is a slightly different functionality. And obviously, we've got MetaMask. But I like Trust Wallet as the comparison because it's a very popular wallet that people use, either MetaMask or Trust Wallet people use. And we can do a comparison and get a feel. How big is Trust Wallet right now? Where was it a little while ago? And can that give us an indication of where Cross Wallet has high probability of going? That's what we want to look at. So I went to CoinMarketCap today. Today I think is the 12th of October. I don't know when you'll be seeing this. I might not be posting this straight away. It will go into our private community first. Everyone in my private community gets premier access to this. And if you want to be a part of my private community, you can take my free Elliott Wave and Fibonacci Masterclass. I have some courses. If you buy one of them, you get to join and you get an invite to my private community. So you get premier access to this kind of information. But Trust Wallet market cap as of today is $347 million market cap. Right, so that gives you the size of the project, right? A live token, TWT token. It's $1 today. Cross Wallet on CoinMarketCap. Now it's got a red icon that says, they haven't got confirmation about the circulating supply. So actually, I went to CoinGecko, and CoinGecko says, based on the circulating supply, today market cap of Cross Wallet is $1.7 million. It's tiny for a powerhouse project, right? And that's important to note because we want to do a comparison, right? And that's what we're going to do next. So if Cross Wallet reached the level of Trust Wallet in terms of market capitalization, as much traction, because that's what we want to have as a comparison. What's a high probability comparison so we can get a bit of a feel for what's likely to occur. Well, to go from 1.7 million market cap, which is what it is today, to 348 million market cap, we need to do a bit of math. And if you don't know me in detail, my name is Jagir and I got a math degree. I used to be a math teacher, believe it or not, qualified to teach up to A level. But we don't need A level math, we just need basic division. All we do is we divide 348, because of the market cap of Trust Wallet, divided by 1.7 of Cross Wallet. That gives us 205. So for Cross Wallet to get to the size of Trust Wallet, it would have to increase by 205 times. Now you can see why I'm saying 200x. Can you see it? It doesn't mean it's guaranteed. It doesn't mean, you should just expect this to happen. But it is very high probability when you got a team, which we're going to cover the team in a second, or the guys behind this, the incubators behind this. When you look at them, what they're doing, and their traction and their track record, then we can kind of deduce that this is high probability, but you have to apply your own risk management, do your own due diligence, do your own research, so to speak. So an example would be if one was to invest $10,000, let's just say, and it did achieve a 200x, let's just forget the 5, 200x as opposed to 205, what would that mean as a return? Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Look, there's always risk. You can lose on your money in this kind of stuff. You need to know that. But if this did occur, that's $10,000 to $2 million. Is this happening? Well, this is what seed round investors do. This is why people get into IDOs when they're even getting in at an earlier stage than 1.7 million market cap. And this is what VCs do, venture capital. But venture capital is always high risk, high reward. So we need to be aware of the risk. Be aware of the risk. You have to judge your own risk. But I'm just saying here, we got a powerhouse project that's been running under the radar for a while, which is due to launch its main product, minimum viable product. And I think it's going to explode, because it is a big problem. So let's look at the team. Who are the team? It's Bluezilla. The team is, I love Bluezilla, man. I love these guys. They don't even pay me to do this video, but I love these guys. I love business. I'm an entrepreneur myself. These guys are killing it. I can see what they're doing. Back in, I think it was February, March of this year, they launched BSE Pad. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. You might see the second half of it. It's BSE Pad. And then not that long after, they did many IDOs, initial DEX offerings on their launch pad. And one of them was Tron Pad for the Tron blockchain. And then they launched ETHPad for the Ethereum blockchain. And they got a lot of experience launching new projects on the decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, like PancakeSwap, and they firsthand are seeing the problems, the cross-chain problems. They are seeing the bot problems where there's bot manipulation. They are seeing all types of problems, and what I've seen that they are literally saying and are doing, saying we will just solve the whole ecosystem problem. We'll build a launchpad for every major blockchain, and we'll build one wallet that literally is going to be the hub to host all cryptocurrencies decentralized. That's what they're aiming for. That's what it seems like. They then launched and partnered with KCC, and they got the KCC pad for the KCC blockchain. Then they launched AdaPad, right, for the Cardano blockchain, which releases smart contracts on 12th of September. Then they launched ValusPad. Now, I knew they were going to launch AdaPad, right? That was obvious because they did BSE pad, Tron pad, ETH I knew AdaPad was going to come, and it came. Then I was anticipating the Solana blockchain pad that they were going to do, but it seems they've decided to partner with Valus and the Valus blockchain, which is based on the Solana code, right? So it's pretty much as good as Solana in terms of the code. It's fast, it's cheap, and Valus is a big deal. It's a big deal, and now they're going to be launching loads of new projects on the Valus blockchain, and they've also launched Game Zone. Well, what's Game Zone? Well, it's for IGOs, initial game offerings. Play to earn is a huge deal, and you need to host your play to earn token somewhere. Is it going to be MetaMask? Is it going to be the Binance Smart Chain? Is it going to be one of the other wallets that you require? Hey, put your NFTs and your crypto in one wallet, which is CrossWallet. So what's the solution they're going to push? Well, it's the one that they did the IDO for, the one that they incubate in, CrossWallet, right? So it's kind of getting more and more obvious the use case and the problem that they're solving. So another thing, right? If you go onto any of those blockchain or those launch pads, whether it's BSE pad, Tron pad, ETH pad, especially Tron pad, ETH pad, KCC pad, and Valus pad, you'll see in the top right-hand corner, they always have a button called Bridge. Often when an IDO launches on a particular launch pad, sometimes it launches on many launch pads at the same time, and you would have seen my past videos on that. But to sell the token or flip the token or use the token, it doesn't mean it's going to be usable on that blockchain. So you have to bridge it over to another blockchain. So there's a bridge function. So here we got the Tron Bridge for the Tron pad, and you can bridge your Tron pad tokens to the Binance Smart Chain or your Tron-based tokens to the Binance Smart Chain. Then you got the same for the KCC. You can bridge from the KCC blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain. But you need all these separate bridges. The ETHPad blockchain and the ETH blockchain to the Binance blockchain. It's complicated. It's just like it's 1998, 1995, using the internet. Who is going to go through this learning curve? No wonder why mass adoption is not occurring, especially decentralized, because it's so difficult. You got this bridge, you got that bridge, you got this bridge, and you got another bridge for the Valus blockchain, which you can bridge from the Valus blockchain to the Ethereum or the Binance Smart Chain. It's complicated. Wouldn't it be great if we just had one solution? Well, guess what? That's what CrossWallet is. This is the problem that it's solving. So it's now not just Trust Wallet. It's not just MetaMask. It's MetaMask and Trust Wallet on steroids that are solving bigger problems in the back end. Bridging, cross-chain, DEXs. It's doing a lot of work and a lot of the hard, heavy lifting. So what am I anticipating? Well, as soon as this launches, well, the Bluezilla team who are doing, they've done over 100 IDOs this year alone, over 100 IDOs, one of which was CrossWallet. It recently did AstroSwap, which did a 500x. It did AdaPad, which did a 360x. Recently, ETHPad did 126x. CrossWallet itself did a 180x. 180x. That is, what is that? That's 18,000%. Insane. But that's why IDOs are so lucrative. So where is CrossWallet sitting right now? Is it still at its 180x price? Nope. What is it today? Today, it is 7x of IDO price. IDO price was 0.00199. Just call it 0.002, right? Today's price, I don't know what it is when you're watching this video. When I checked this morning, today's price is 0.0137. So that's only a 7x difference from IDO price. It did go up to 180. It hovered at 60x for quite a while. And then the price action has just been going sideways to down. There's been no attention on it because they've been building the ecosystem for all the different blockchain launchpads. They've been building DEXs, Wagyu Swap for the Valus blockchain, AstroSwap for the Cardano blockchain. They're looking at cross-chain bridges and everything else. But now it seems like the time is coming close where I'm anticipating that CrossWallet is going to be ready for all the new projects to go onto. And any other crypto that they're going to host and allow you to host. But the price today is around 0.0134, give or take. But what was the comparison that we're using? Trust Wallet. Well, Trust Wallet, just looking at this is from CoinMarketCap. Trust Wallet, not that long ago, around back in February, August, I think it is August. Was it August? Yeah. 2020, the price of Trust Wallet, guess what? Was the same as CrossWallet is today. Today's price is like $1, well over $1. Well, today's the dollar, but it's been as high as like $1.40. So $340 to $500 million market cap Trust Wallet has been. So now, can you feel that there is a high probability of CrossWallet to explode from a price and market cap perspective? So CrossWallet, like if you're wondering, I don't know if you're used to using DEXs, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can click on CrossWallet, you can click Market. The place that you buy CrossWallet is PancakeSwap, right? It's not listed on any centralized exchanges. So just so you know, that's where CrossWallet is as a token. So there you have it. There's my case for CrossWallet. Do your own due diligence. That's what I think. It's going to do incredibly, incredibly well. So CrossWallet, one crypto wallet to rule them all with a single click cross-chain swaps. CrossWallet is the ultimate crypto wallet and decentralized exchange aggregator, and is aiming to make arbitrage very easy. So if you see a token on Avalanche and then on Polygon, rather than having to do all this complicated moving around, you can just go click, click, boom, done. That's the aim, to make bridging, cross-chain, everything very, very easy, very, very simple. Whew, we covered a lot there. We covered a lot. What do you think? What do you think about CrossWallet? Should you buy? Should you not buy? Are you going to buy? I'm not saying you should, not saying you shouldn't. I'm just saying this is a low cap gem. It's 1.7 million market cap. A close competitor is 300, almost 350 million market cap, and it has been like a $500 million market cap. With the Bluezilla team, with the ecosystem, you can just look at what they're building, how they're building it. And they're not building multiple wallets. They're just saying CrossWallet. And they've got other things that are linking into this as well. So let me know what you think. How did you find today's video? Did you like it? I used a different structure today. Let me know what you found useful about it. And like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Do your own due diligence, your proper risk management. There are no guarantees over here. So let's just finish on a quote. What's today's quote? Today's quote is, let's stick with Henry Ford. Henry Ford today. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. Man, I've been waiting for this. I've been dying to do this video, right? And CrossWallet has been just dropping in price. Is it going to drop further? Hey, I don't know. Is it going to skyrocket tomorrow? Hey, I don't know. But before Bluezilla team start really pushing it forward and then activate their web and really make it a live product where they're saying, hey, our new token, host it in CrossWallet, use CrossWallet as opposed to MetaMask, etc. Now's the time where it's sideways to down, undercover, under the radar, where you can consider to see if this meets your own personal risk tolerance and you can take the relevant action. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you're seeing this late and you want to have premier access to this kind of content, you need to join my private Telegram group. The only way is take my free masterclass, buy one of my courses. I'm doing them really cheap at the moment. It's Elite Wave and Fibonacci, which is really, really powerful. And then you'll get an invite to some of my private groups. We do some one-to-ones. We do group sessions. We do webinars. We do training and everything else. And I'm aiming to kind of add more and more value because I've been in this space for a while. And when we see opportunities like this, we need to pounce, pounce, apply proper risk management, do your own due diligence and your own research. And then, yeah, let's just hopefully we'll do well this bull run. All right. See you very soon.